In a world of top-notch choices, should you go with a Galaxy? Welcome back to the Tech Fighter channel, and today we have an unboxing for you. Just a quick unboxing of, you guessed it, the brand new Galaxy S9. Just a quick shout out, thanks to Magenta, T-Mobile. If it weren't for them, I wouldn't be able to do this. Their jump on demand program is amazing. Here's the box, Galaxy S9. Got a couple of other phones here. We're gonna be comparing the Essential and the iPhone X or iPhone 10, mainly as far as the size is concerned. So let's go ahead and check this puppy out. Alrighty. Got your usual books and extra stuff. Here's the phone. Plop it out. I got the blue, coral blue. Looks nice. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Let's power this sucker on. There we go. Secured by Knox, powered by Android. Cool, Galaxy S9, and we'll take off this little sticker. We don't need that. So while it powers up, let's compare in size to the iPhone 10. Get a good comparison. The S9 is a little bit taller. I think the iPhone 10 is a little bit wider, but the thickness is about the same. Now with the Essential's a little bit shorter, also a little bit wider, about the same thickness. So there's all three, very close in sizes. So, what do you all think when it comes to these three phones? Some of them, I guess, could be considered, what, top-notch? These top-notch phones go against Samsung's current top of the line. Well, you know, it just depends. S9, S9 Plus, your call. I went with the S9 this time because I've really started to enjoy the smaller form factor. Let me know in the comments, which one do you think is the better looking device, the better performing device, or which one's your choice? Hasta la vista.